welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to discuss about bubbled input and gate. So previous videos we discussed the basic gates, so normal and gate operation, you know very well. But this video I just add bubble at the input side, so any one of the input or both the inputs. So what will the response? That we will check this video. So first I will draw AND gate symbol. So it has a two inputs A and B. So in this AND gate symbol, I am not add any bubbles at the input side. So Y is the output. The corresponding Boolean expression is A dot B. So it's an AND gate operation. So here I just add bubble at input side. Bubble at input. A and B. So in digital electronics, bubble represent complement or inversion. So complement or inversion. So here A is connected to bubble, B is connected to directly AND gate. So bubble means complement. So after bubble, you will get A bar. So Y is the output. Here the Boolean expression is A bar dot B. If I add bubble at B terminal, so B input terminal, the structure is like this. A and B is the input variable, Y is the output. So now you will get the Boolean expression A dot B bar. Here I add the bubble at both the inputs. Both the inputs. A B is the input variable. So after bubble you will get A bar, here you will get B bar. So Y is the output, A bar dot B bar is the Boolean expression. So this bubbled input of AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. How this bubbled input of AND gate is replaced by NOR gate? You just apply the De Morgan's theorem. Already we studied the De Morgan's theorem. So it has a two theorem. A plus B the whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. It's a theorem 1. And second theorem, A dot B the whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. So you just consider this result A bar dot B bar. So A bar dot B bar equal to A plus B the whole bar. So this bubbled input AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. So AB is the input, A plus B the whole bar. So after applying the De Morgan's theorem, this expression is changed in terms of A bar dot B bar. So both are equal. So bubbled input of AND gate is replaced by NOR gate. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.